June is Men's Health Month. That's right, guys. This month, we need to make sure that we're making our health a priority. And awareness is out there for certain things: mental health, sexual health, emotional health, and physical health. We always put everybody before ourselves. But this month, we need to make it a priority to put our health before everything else. Getting different things like diagnostics, blood testing, and all these things that could tell us how our health is. Are we truly healthy? And a lot of guys are like, hey, I went to a doctor in years. And they think that's cool, but it's really not, because they have no idea if they have a heart problem, a prostate problem, or anything else. And prostate cancer is on the rise. We need to check on these things. We need to make sure that we're making the time to take care of ourselves, because we often have no time. I'm right there with you guys. I got a family, I got a business, I got things that are taking my time, but I'm making sure that my health is a priority. So I'm sticking around for my family, my friends, my business, and everybody else that I love. And you need to too. And it might only be just a blood test. And if it is, Titan Medical Center can help you out and tell you about all these different things that are going on to a certain aspect. We can help with mental health, physical health, sexual health, and emotional health. So if you want our help, you can call or text us today at 727-389-3220. But I don't care about that. I care about your health as a male, and you taking care of yourself so you can take care of the others that you love. That's the point of this video. Get your health in check and do the right thing, not only for you, but for everybody around you.